Hello and assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be making panjiri. This is a really great recipe for winters and I hope you guys will like it once you make it at your home. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button before watching the video. And let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients you will need for this recipe are 1 cup sooji or semolina, 1 cup sugar, half cup Desi Ghee, 50 grams Makhane or puffed lotus seeds, 50 grams gund, edible gum crystals, 50 grams of almonds, 50 grams of cashew nuts, 50 grams crushed coconut powder, 25 grams of raisins, 25 grams of dried melon seeds, 25 grams of dried dates, 25 grams of walnuts. Firstly, you will preheat the karahi or the pan, then you will add the ghee, then you will shallow fry the makhane or the lotus seeds until they are light golden. The second time you will preheat the pan or the karahi and you will fry the gund until it doubles in size. Now for the third time you're gonna preheat the pan and add some ghee. You're gonna fry some cashew nuts and the almonds until they are slightly golden. Then you will also add the walnuts and the dry dates. And you will fry them also. Now for the fourth time you're gonna preheat the pan and add some ghee. You're gonna fry the dried melon seeds. For the fifth time you're gonna preheat the pan and add some ghee. You're gonna fry the coconut powder and the raisins. Then you will keep all the fried nuts together. Now you're gonna add the leftover ghee. After preheating the pan or the karahi, then you're gonna add the sooji or the semolina. You will fry it until it's fragrant. Now the semolina is done, and you're gonna add the crushed nuts to a blender and you will blend them well. You're gonna turn them into a powder. Now for the final part, you're gonna take the crushed nuts, the semolina or the sooji, some nuts for garnishing, and the sugar. You're gonna mix all these ingredients together well. Now your panjiri is ready. I hope you guys will like the recipe once you make it at your home. Don't forget to like this video, share this video on the channel with your family and friends, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video from 5 in Kitchen. As always, take care and Allah Hafiz.